What's up, guys? It's nighttime, everything's calm. I'm just gonna sketch and chill for a bit. Feel free to draw along or just kick back and keep me company. By the way, are you guys working on anything tonight? Like, are you sketching too? Or just here to chill? Let me know in the comments. I love seeing what you're up to. I'm just gonna keep it super loose tonight. No pressure, just some random sketches, maybe some doodles. Honestly, it's more about the vibe than making anything perfect. If you're drawing along, don't stress. Messy sketches are honestly the best sometimes, right? Also, if you're watching this while lying in bed or just winding down after a long day, same. I've got my tea right here and I'm just gonna take it slow. No rush, no goals, just putting pencil to paper and seeing what happens. And hey, if you wanna just listen and not draw, that's cool too. It's like we're just hanging out, you know? Alright, I'm gonna start with some loose lines. Feel free to start whenever you're ready. No rules here. Man, there's something about sketching at night that just hits different, you know? Like, everything's quieter and it feels easier to just let your ideas flow. I'm not even thinking too hard about what I'm drawing right now. Just letting my hand move and seeing where it goes. What about you guys? Are you the type to plan your sketches out first, or do you just kind of freestyle like this too? Also, if you've got a favorite late night snack or drink while you're chilling, tell me. I always love hearing that kind of stuff. I'm just sipping tea tonight, but honestly, I wish I had some cookies or something. I hoped it would rain today. The sky looked heavy, like it was about to, but it never did. I love those quiet moments when the rain falls and all you hear is the soft flow of water. It's peaceful and somehow it makes everything feel a little closer to home. today's been one of those kinda bright days, but honestly, I kinda wish it would rain. There's just something about the sound of rain that makes everything feel way more chill, right? Like you can just curl up somewhere, sketch, listen to the rain tapping on the window. Honestly, if it started raining right now, I'd probably never stop sketching tonight. Maybe I'll put on some fake rain sounds later, just to fake the vibe. If it's raining where you are right now, you're lucky. That's like the ultimate sketching weather. Alright, now let's keep going with the sketch. Feel free to grab your own notebook and sketch along if you want. And hey, don't be shy. Leave a comment and tell me what you're working on too. I'd love to hear about it. Let's just relax, enjoy the process, and create something together.